We are at 240 Whiteland Road in Whiteland, Indiana, 46184. 4-bedroom, 1 bath. It's almost 1,700 square feet. It's your front door, you got a front porch. It is on a busy road, but that means you get it for a little bit better price. Neighbors across the street is a bunch of corn. Great location, great school system. Let's step inside. Here is living room number 1. Professionally cleaned, carpets have been cleaned. Does have a newer roof. There is a new HVAC system. Could use paint and flooring. Let's go this way first. See the hallway. Here is your bathroom, tub, shower, vanity, all the necessities. Bedroom number 1. The windows have been fairly recently updated. They're vinyl, they're not the original metal. Closet. Step into bedroom number 2. Now this is a walk-through bedroom, so you could use it as kind of a loft area, gaming area. Use the kids share the rooms. If you need 4 bedrooms, it definitely can be used as a 4th bedroom. Just a little bit awkward walking through. Bedroom number 3. Again, windows, vinyl. Quick peek in the backyard. Good shape. The major things have been taken care of. Your windows, your roof, your HVAC. And for the price, we're at $189.9. Your dining area or whatever you want to use it for. You could almost even blow out that. I imagine it may have been open at one time. Take that out if you don't need that bedroom. Open things up. Here is the 4th bedroom, what I would probably call the master, because it is kind of separated. It's probably one of the bigger rooms. See the flooring can be used, redone. Vinyl windows, closet. There is some laminate in the dining room and the kitchen. There is washer and dryer here. Kitchen, newer refrigerator. Microwave, dishwasher, stove. All are stained, but they're not warranted. Here is what is the big bonus in my opinion. This could even really be used as a master if you really, really wanted. But I think this is about 30 by 15. Got entertainment, if you wanted to change that out, very easily could. Nice big vinyl windows. And here, since this was an addition at some point, it does have the heating and cooling system, the carrier, ventless here. Nice big room with your fireplace. That door right there goes outside. Check out the garage real quick. And as an added bonus, there's a lot of tools and stuff, so if you want the tools, there's your kitchen. And there is a garage door opener, attic storage, a lot of the tools and stuff. I think the family is going to leave these behind if you want them. If not, we'll find a spot for them. There is an old school telephone. How you like that? Again, really just needs paint and carpet and you are all set. Make it your own home. Let's check out outside real quick. Home backyard. It is nice and quiet inside. Siding. Siding's in good shape. Backyard, partially fenced. Go back here so you can see the roof. There's a newer roof. Like I said, your major items have been taken care of. You really just have some cosmetics and do with that what you will. There's the ventless carrier system. The address is 240 Whiteland Road, Whiteland, Indiana, Clark Pleasant School District. off of Whiteland and US 31. Southside Johnson County. Very popular. Finding anything in Johnson County that is under $200,000 is extremely difficult today, especially when we have almost 1,700 square feet of living space here. A great place, first time home, make it your own place, lots and lots of potential. Give us a call, 317-372-6147.